Good morning, students. In today's session, we will study exponents of rational numbers. Before that, we have studied the exponents of natural numbers, whole numbers, but here we will study exponents of rational numbers. So the topic name is exponent of rational number, and under this topic we will study if a by b is a rational number and n is an integer, then a by b raised to power n is equal to a by b into a by b into a by b into dot 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 up to n times. Here the multiplication of a by b is repeated n times. That's why it can be written as a by b raised to power n. So you can write a cross a cross a cross a cross dot 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 n times, and b cross b cross b cross b dot 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 up to n times. Since numerator a and denominator b both are repeated n times, that's why a into a n times and b into b dot 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 n times. So we can write a to the power n divided by b to the power n. So your formula is कि a by b into a by b into a by b into dot 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 up to n times is equal to a to the power n by b to the power n. This is the formula which you have to use in the next exercise. Second topic is reciprocal of a by b to the power n is equal to b by a to the power n. It means that if a by b is a fraction, then its reciprocal will be b by a. Therefore, the reciprocal of a by b to the power n is equal to b by a to the power n. I mean, its denominator will be written as numerator and numerator will be written as denominator, and power will remain the same. So for a by b, you will write b by a and then power will remain same. Here is power n, here the power will remain the same n. That's why it is written here reciprocal of a by b to the power n is equal to b by a to the power n, and where a by b is a non-zero rational number and n is a positive integer. Now we will use these concepts to do the questions given in exercise 4.2. So here exercise 4.2. Now let me read the question number 1. Question number N is saying express in exponential form. So the question is 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. So here 4 by 5 is repeated twice, so we will write this is equal to 4 by 5 to the power 2. 4 by 5 is multiplied in 4 by 5 only 2 times, so its power will be 2. 4 by 5 to the power 2. This is the exponential notation of the given question. Similarly, in second question, 3 by 7 is repeated 5 times. 3 by 7 into 3 by 7 into 3 by 7 into 3 by 7 into 3 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write this is equal to 3 by 7 to the power 5. Answer. In question number 2. Question number 2 is saying express as a rational number. Here the question is given in exponential form and we have to express it into the form of rational number. So 3 by 7 whole square is given. So we will write 3 square by 7 square. And 3 square can be written as 3 into 3 and 7 square can be written as 7 into 7. So 3 3 are 9 and 7 7 are 49. 9 by 49 is your answer. Similarly, question number 2, 3 by 4 to the power 5 is given. So 3 by 5 to the 3 by 5 divided by 4 5 can be written, and for 3 by 5 you will write 5 times 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and for 4 to the power 5 we will write 5 times 4 in the form of multiplication. So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Now multiply. 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 3 are 81 and 81 3 are 243. Similarly, here 4 4 are 16, 16 4 are 64 and 64 4 are 256 and 2 4 256 into 4 is equal to 1024. So 243 by 1024 is the right answer. Question number 4. Minus 5 by 9 to the power 3 is there. So we'll write minus 5 by 9 3 times. Minus 5 by 9 into minus 5 by 9 into minus 5 by 9. Minus minus plus and plus into minus minus. So in answer you'll write minus here. And then 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. So for minus 5 cube you will write minus 125. And for 9 cube you will write 9 9s are 81 and 81 9s are 729. So minus 125 by 729 is your answer. Wait a minute. So now it is done. Come to the next question. Question number 3. In question number 3, the question is saying express the following in exponential notation. So here the question is written 1 by 243. So if you will change 243 into exponential notation, then first of all you will do the prime factorization of 243, and the prime factorization of 243 is here 3 3 3 3 3, and 5 times 3 will come. So for 243 you can write here 1 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times 3, so 1 by 3 to the power 5, and 1 by 3 to the 1 by 3 whole to the power 5 will be the answer. Both are correct. You can write this is as answer, or this can also be written as answer. Both are the right answer. Minus 16 by 729. So here we will do the factorization for 16 and 729 both. So 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4 into 8 to the 16, 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 16, because 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Similarly for 729 we will do here prime factorization. So you can see I have done. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 3's will come. So we'll write 729 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 6 times 3, and then 3 to the power 6. It means 16 by 729 can be written as 2 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 6. For 729 we'll write 3 to the power 6, and for 16 we'll write 2 to the power 4. And minus sign is here, so we'll put here minus sign. Now this 2 to the power 4 can be written like this: 2s square or whole to the power 2, because 2 to the 4, power will be multiplied with power, 2 to the 4. And 3 to the power 6 can be written as 3 square 3 cube whole to power 2, because this power will be multiplied with this, then 3 to the 6, 3 to the power 6, it will become equal to 3 to the power 6, and it will become 2 to the power 4. Now for 2 to the power 2, I mean 2 square can be written as 4, and 3 cube can be written as 27, because 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 4 square by 27 square, and it can be written as minus 4 by 27 whole square. So this is your answer. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4 is saying find the reciprocal of minus 3 to the power 5 minus 4 by 5 to the power 3. So we'll write here the reciprocal. So minus 3 to the power 5, its reciprocal is 1 by minus 3 to the power 5. This is the answer. Question number 2, minus 4 by 5 to the power 3. So the reciprocal of minus 4 by 5 to the power 3 is equal to minus 5 by 4 to the power 3. This denominator will become numerator, and this numerator will become denominator. So minus 5 by 4 to the power 3 is the reciprocal. Question number 3 of 4, 11 by 18 to the power 12. So we can write in solution ki reciprocal is equal to 18 by 11 to the power 12. Just opposite of that, its numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. So 18 by 11 to the power 12. in 4. 9 by 7 to the power 10. The reciprocal of 9 by 7 to the power 10 is equal to 7 by 9 to the power 10. Right. In question number 5, we have to do simplification here because this question is saying simplify. So let me do. Here 3 by 4 to the power 3 into 2 by 3 to the power 2 is given. So 3 by 4 can be written as 3 square by 4 square into 3 by 4. Because this is power 3. So 2 plus 1 3 and again 2 plus 1 3. And into this fraction. For this you will write 2 square by 3 square. And a square by b square. So 3 square by 2 square by 3 square. Now let me multiply. So now we will multiply the numerators together and denominators together. So 3 square into 2 square into 3 and then 4 square into 3 square into 4, 4 square, 3 square into 4. This 3 square can be cancelled with this 3 square. Now 2 square by 4 square will remain and this 3 by 4 will remain. So now for 2 square we can write for 2 square by 4 square we can write 2 by 4 whole square. And then this 4 can be cancelled with 2, 2 2 is 4, so 1 by 2 square into 3 by 4. And for 1 by 2 square you can write 1 by 4 because 2 2 is 4 and 1 1 is 1, so 1 by 4 and this 3 by 4. So 1 into 3 is equal to 3, 1 into 3 is equal to 3 and 4 4 is 16, 3 by 16 is your answer. Question number 2. Minus 1 by 2 to the power 3 into 2 cube into 3 by 4 whole square. So you can write for the first fraction minus 1 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3 and into 2 to the power 3 into 3 square by 4 square. This can be written as 3 square by 4. Now you can cancel this 2 cube with this 2 cube crosswise. This 2 cube will be cancelled with this 2 cube, and for minus 1 cube we will get minus 1 because minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus minus plus, plus into minus, so minus 1. And 3 square is equal to 9 and 4 square is equal to 16, 9 by 16. And if you will multiply this minus 1 with 9 by 16, then you will get minus 9 by 16. Minus 9 by 16 will be your answer. So in this way you have done. Now come to third question of question number 5. Here 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 4 whole cube into 2 cube. So here we can write for this fraction 1 square by 2 square minus 1 cube by 2 square whole cube, because for 4 you can write 2 square because 2 2 is 4 and power 3 is there, so power 3. Now 1 by 2 square is present in both. Here 2 square is present and here 2 square is also present. So we'll take 1 by 2 square as common. Then from here 1 will remain, and from here 1 by 2 square to the power 2 will remain, because here the power of 2 square was 3. So if you will take 1 2 square, then power 2 will remain. So 1 by 2 square whole to the power 2 will remain. Now you can cancel this 2 square with this 2 cube, and then 2 will remain here, and then 1 minus, for 2 square you can write 4, 2 2 is 4 and power 2 will remain, 4 square. 1 minus 1 by 4 square into 2, 2 from here. Then 1 minus 1 by 16, because 4 4 is 16 into 2. Now just subtract 1 by 16 from 1, so you will get 16 minus 1 by 16. 16 minus 1 is equal to 15, 15 by 16 into 2. And now this 16 can be cancelled with this 2, 2 8 is 16. So 15 by 8 is your answer. In question number 4, minus 2 by 3 whole square into 4 by minus 5 whole square. So it can be written as minus 2 square by 3 square, and this can be written as 4 square by minus 5 square. So for minus 2 square you will write 2 2 is 4, and for 4 square you will write 16, 4 4 is 16. For 3 square you will write 9, and for minus 5 square you will write 25, because minus minus plus 5 5 is 25. Now just multiply numerator with numerator. So 16 4 is 64 and 25 9s are 225. So this is your answer. So I have done question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of 5. Only 2 questions are left, question number 5 and 6. You will do these questions in your warm up. And till the time, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.